Hey guys, it's Ron, COO of ITM Capital LLC, and this is November the 24th, 2022. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. It was wonderful. I think my stomach is still full. But listen, this is why I'm here, guys, and this is why I'm so excited. A lot of you out there think that it takes a lot of money to get into trading, and I'm here to tell you that it does not take a lot of money to trade. It doesn't. So what I'm going to do today to prove it to you is I am going to take this $50 account and I am going to show you that I can take that $50 account and double, maybe triple it, maybe even quadruple it in one day. Okay, so I want you to stay with me. I want you to go and join the Telegram, ITM Capital Telegram. I'm going to put the link in the description, or I'm going to put it up here above across the screen. How do they do it? Maybe right here or down there. I don't know, but that's what I'm going to do, okay? So join the Telegram, look at the results we're doing, and come back later to this channel and check me out and see where this account is going to be. Love, peace, and lots of chicken grease, family. See you soon.